Hello beauties! As I promised on my social networks, I will do once per week beauty videos on my YouTube channel. I have for 2 hours some fancy event, so I think this is a great opportunity to start my beauty makeup edition. I have a dress code for tonight and I need to be a Cinderella. I mean, not exactly Cinderella, but I am feeling like Cinderella when I'm wearing this kind of dresses. I don't have too much time, so let's start. Cleaning my face with Kika micellar water. I usually wear very colorful makeup, but tonight I want to change a little bit. I will use Arden Makeup Prime, and the same prime is a fixing spray, so I will add it at the end. God, smells so good. I really love when I feel fresh at the beginning. Now I will add Creoline Shimmering Event Foundation for glossy look. I don't have it anymore. I broke my bottle for this. beautiezzz base number 2 for eyes. First, I am applying base with my brush, and after that I will tap with the beauty blender. I'm not quite sure how much to add here, my base, because I never know how my eyebrows will look like. I always change the shape of my eyebrows. I mean, I have, as you see, 1/2 of eyebrows. And sometimes it's good because you can create everything you want. And sometimes it's so stressful, waking up without eyebrows and all those questions. Oh my God, you don't have eyebrows. Why you don't have eyebrows? I usually do my eyebrows at the end. Some makeup artists are doing at the beginning, and some of them, like me, at the end. I don't know why. I just want, to surprise myself with eyebrows. I mean, like a prize for makeup I done for myself. Oh, Kika, congratulations for good makeup. Now you will have eyebrows. Woohoo! First, I will add this Bori color from Juvia's Masquerade Eyeshadow palette. I always start from the end of my eye, and now I am first tapping, and after that I will blend this pink eyeshadow. And now I will blend it. I really love to blend it very good, and if I want stronger color, I can easily add. With a smaller brush, I will add more of pink eyeshadow to have that smoky look. Oh my God, this pink is awesome. Let's add some magic with Magic Moon. Juvia's, the same brand, and this is awesome. So let's see, is it pigmented as previous eyeshadow? I love it. I love it. I think this is very good combination. And with a clean brush, I will blend those 2 eyeshadows. For this part below my eyebrows, I will use NYX Duo Highlighter. At the end, I will use it in the corner of my eyes too. It's time for eyeliner! Inglot eyeliner gel in black with few drops of Duraline. It's a magic. I always start from the end to see how long my eyeliner will be, and going back to the half of my eye. And now I will make line between this and this. Now let's quick do other eye. Light Organics goes very good with this shimmering base. So my foundation for tonight will be Light Organics. Applying foundation exactly the same like my base. With the brush first, and after that tapping with Beauty Blender. Every makeup artist has different technique. In my case, I'm a special case. I'm a special case. In my case, it's totally out of any cases. Everything is opposite. I mean, I started first to paint murals, you know, painting on walls, and after that I started to do kids face painting and body painting, and at the end I'm doing beauty makeup. I mean, there is no sense. When I do body paintings, I am working like 6, 7, sometimes 8 hours, you know, and this kind of makeup is so relaxing, you know, for me. And after I finish, I can go out like this. With Beauty Blender, foundation is perfect on the face. So this MAC concealer is a little bit light for my skin. I will make a combination and mix with this Pro concealer this tone. After I applied my foundation, I will contour my face with this cream line. High definition palette. You see which color I'm using all the time. I love when I make my cheekbones up, my forehead so big. I can draw another face on my forehead. Creoline translucent powder to set my face and the rest of my face. Going back to my eyes, and I will use Urban Decay Glide On 24/7 eye pencil, and this one is Psychedelic Sister. Oh my god, let's try. I'm applying on my lower eyelid, connect with my eyeliner. Every time I do makeup, I really love to talk. So if you want to know something, to ask me something, to give some suggestion, please write below. The same pencil, Urban Decay 24/7, it's yellow, will go on my lower waterline. Yellow or yellow looks great. I am adding NYX Pro Contouring Palette, Afterglow Powder Blush. Pinky! Wow! When I'm applying highlighter, it's never enough for me. I just want to, you know, glow in the dark. I think I deserve eyebrows. I don't know about you, but when I'm applying eyelashes, I'm feeling like I have 2 left hands. Oh, I'm shaking every time when I need to apply my eyelashes. Like every other girl, I love when my lips are bigger. So I will plump them up with this pink Golden Rose Dream Lips liner. And for the end, this Creoline High Gloss. It's really high gloss and I don't have it anymore, just a little bit. So I think it's enough for tonight. This lipstick makes your lips bigger and they are so shiny. And something is still missing. Oh! So guys, I hope you like my video, otherwise my boyfriend will kill me because I'm late. If you have any suggestion, any idea, please write in the comments below. See you next week, but with some beauty Halloween makeup style. My mama will not recognize me.